The second verse of the Holy Quran, Huzur, may Allah be his helper, recited was one that is recited in the Nikah ceremony. It highlights the need to be righteous and the importance of doing deeds that shall become useful in the hereafter. It is righteousness and fulfilling the rights of Allah and His creation that shall be questioned. Fashion and worldly wealth shall not be examined. If we leave pious children behind, then they will aid in our own spiritual development as well. If mothers bring children up in a proper manner, then the children will be pious and righteous. Allah knows what is hidden, and He cannot be fooled. He knows what we conceal and therefore knows exactly how well we follow the teachings of the promised Messiah, alayhi salam. Today's mothers and those girls who will inshallah soon become mothers should plan to develop their spiritual conditions and increase their knowledge so that they are able to bring their children up in a proper manner. They should be able to teach their children that the world is not our aim, but rather it is following the commandments of Allah. If our own spiritual conditions are not up to the mark, we cannot expect any change within our own children. If we want our children to become good spiritual servants of Allah, then proper planning and action is required. Huzur, may Allah be his helper, reminded the audience that Allah does not care how pious one's parents were. It is only our own actions that will count. They will be responsible for their actions and we, our own. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, reminded his daughter, Hazrat Fatima, Razi Allah Anha, that she would not be forgiven merely because she was the daughter of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Only her good actions would attract the forgiveness of Allah. Concluding his address, Huzur, may Allah be his helper, prayed for Ahmadi parents to prefer Allah over the world and bring up such children who can set their eyes on faith rather than the world. An extract from the address delivered by the head of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, at Jalsa Salana UK on August 3, 2019.
गुज़रे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है। गुज़रे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।